Take a ride in the 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, power windows, child safety locks, fog lights, power door locks, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.